Hi, I'm sitting here in my living room about to do a little DIY project and figured I would share it with you because it's super easy and I've done it a couple of times now. It's a bow frame for all of Isla's little clip bows. Right after she was born, I knew that I wanted to make a little something, or at least get one of those for her room, and I probably could have ordered it on Etsy, but I just wanted it like right that second. So I knew I could make it in a couple of minutes and that it would be fairly easy to make. So I just went down the street, got a couple of things, and I literally made it and was done that day. Anyway, one of the ribbons fell off, so I had to fix it tonight and thought I might as well show you guys how I did it anyway. So here we go. All of the things that you will need are hot glue gun, right here, some ribbon. So I did all black and white to match her room, but you can do any colors that you want, any different textures and thickness that you want. You can really get fun and creative with it. And then you just need a frame. So I bought a really inexpensive frame, and then I just took everything out, like the glass and the backing and everything, and I was left with this. So it hangs this way, so you see the white, and then this is the back of it. So the inside of the frame is where you're gonna be gluing the ribbon on. And then I pre-cut all of the ribbons. So I did like a thick white, a thin black with some gold in there, a grosgrain white, and then a cream color with some gold, and I kind of just mixed it up a little bit. So I pre-cut them all, and I try to do it a little bit longer than the frame, just in case it turns out to be too short. And then that's really it, and then you just glue it on. So let me just show you how I glue it on. I usually try to put it on there first, just so I have like a good idea of what I want it to look like, and then I glue it. So here we go, sorry. So that's it. See? So you get the idea. We have two of them because Isla has a lot of bows. But that's it. And then you just literally hang it from like a nail or something, same way that you would hang any kind of a picture frame. So I usually do it in our closet just to keep everything in the same place. But that is it. So easy. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.